guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, Daily Yavi. Watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click and watch this video. While you're here, may I make a short introduction of myself. My name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a YouTuber and blogger. My content usually revolves around beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, productivity tips and digital tools to achieving the girl boss lives of your dreams. And if you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down here. You will see a bell next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. Today is going to be a makeup tutorial and I bring you this makeup look which is really summer ready. That has a lot of peaches, warm browns, and if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. For the first step, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie as a eyelid primer, and this has a little bit of sheen on it. Anything that is extra, you can just bring it, lift it up onto your crease, but you don't have to bring it all the way up to your brow bone. Right now I'm going to be picking up a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to be using the I Love Makeup Chocolate and Peaches palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade over here. Make sure to tap the excess off, and I'm going to be just lightly dusting it onto the crease. Now that we have that, I'm going to be taking a Zoeva brush. This is the 237 Detail Shader brush, and I'm going to be taking this dark brown color that you have here. Always make sure to tap the excess off, and I'm going to be concentrating the color on the outer part. I'm tapping the color in just so that it has lesser amount of fallout, and also so that the color pigments are deposited directly onto the lid. Now that we have that, I do want a little pink for this look. So I'm going to be using the Innisfree My Eyeshadow in the shade 24, and this is in Shimmer. And I'm going to be using the other side of the brush to pick up the product. Be sure to tap the excess off as always and lightly press the color in. Go back to the same blending brush that does not have any more product, and lightly just go on top of the colors that you've placed before. Using the same palette, I'm going to be using a brush like this. This is from Art Friend. This is an art brush. This is not a makeup brush. I'm going to be taking this color over here and this color over here. And I'm not going to be applying too much pressure. I'm just going to be lightly just following the brow bone area. Going back to the blending brush, I'm just going to be lightly running the brush over it. I'm going to go back with my 237 Detail Shader brush and pick up the same brown and intensify the outer corners. Picking up the same brown, I'm going to be applying it onto my lower lash line as well. Now that we have that, the final step is to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to be using 240 the Luxe Petite Pencil from Zoeva. I wasn't liking how dull the outer corners were looking like, so I went back to my Maybelline's The Nudes palette. Using the same 237 Detail Shader brush, I picked a little bit of the black, just a tiny bit, and I worked the color onto the outer thirds of my eyes like so. I'm just pressing in because I don't want too much of the black. Then going back to this 230 Luxe pencil brush, which we haven't used yet, I'm just going to be going over on top of the black. I'm going with my Essence Super Precise eyeliner in black. I'm going to be drawing a very thin line across my upper lash line, just following the natural shape of my lashes. Moving on to the face, I have already primed my face with the Body Shop Tea Tree Pore Minimizer that looks like this. I just put it onto areas wherever I get a little excess oil throughout the day. If you guys probably have not known already, the foundation of my choice of current times is the NYX Total Drop foundation, and I'm in the shade Medium Olive. This is how it looks like. I really like how it's so super lightweight. It's so lightweight, and I like that the foundation can be built upon. We're done. I won't set my face because I'm going to be doing my concealer straight away, and if I do need a little bit of oil control action, then I'll probably just set it at the end. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my new Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Eraser. This is in the shade Medium. I'm just going to be putting it here. Of course, you guys already know I still love my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be buffing out the concealer. lining my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the Scandalize 24 Hours Kohl Kajal in the shade Nude. Going back with the Super Precise eyeliner from Essence. And see how much of a wing I want to create. I'm taking a break from false eyelashes, and if you want to go ahead and wear some false eyelashes, be my guest. And I'm just going to be topping off the lashes with a few coats of mascara. This is Essence I Love Extreme Mascara. Just going to be adding a few coats of it. So now to finish up the look, I'm going to be moving on to the lips, and I'm going to be lining the lips with Long Lasting Lip Pencil. This is I believe this is from Catrice. Look how tiny it got because I've been using this non-stop. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nude. And to add a little bit of color and contour to the face, I'm going to be using the Bahama Mama bronzer. This is how it looks like. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Highlight. This is in the shade Be My Highlight. I'm going to be using the other end of the blush brush. I'm going to be using Sephora's Baked Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact, taking a little bit and then just setting my under eyes with it. And this is the final look. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this simple peach summer type of makeup look that I put together for you. And if you did enjoy watching this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button down here. Make sure to click on the bell next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified when new videos go up on my channel. And I shall catch you in my next week's video. Bye, guys!